Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Come on. Eyes in the water. Your eyes were not in the water. I know. Yes, but your eyes were not in the water. Okay. Okay, eyes in the water, big arms. No, eyes in the water. Eyes in the water, big arms. Go. All the way, eyes in the water, eyes in the water. That's right. You're going to grab your leg. No, over there. Walk triangle. Walk. Okay.
Here we go. Go!
Okay, eyes in the water. Good job. Big arms. Good job. Yay. Awesome. So really, that's not a cannonball, huh? That's a screwdriver. Can you say screwdriver? Screwdriver. Okay. Face in the water. Face in the water. Eyes in the water. Big arms. Go. Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Good job.
You were faster than me. All right, go to Brad. Go to Brad.
Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water.
Oh man, that's a lot of work.
Those are not eyes in the water.
She's just not doing it today.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah.
She's just not doing it. Come on.
Go.
Face the
Eyes
water.
in the water.
Put your eyes in the water.
Eyes in the water.
Come on,
Swim.
Come on. Come on.
Big arms. Big arms. Eyes in the water.
Come on. Put your eyes in the water. Come on. Put your face in the water.
Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water.
What you're doing. Come on.
There you go.
There you go. Come on.
Eyes in the water.
Come on.
Big arms.
Come on. Get your breath. Let's go. Hold your breath. Go. Face in the water.
Okay.
That was a lot. That
Yeah, it was a lot. It's not swimming.
I know. Yes.
Okay, go all the way.
You got to put your face in the water.
Eyes in the water. All the way.
Take a breath. Go.
Eyes in the water. Big arms.
Take a breath.
Good.
Go.
Okay, eyes
Arms
back
up.
in the water.
Come on. Breath. Take a breath. Put your face in. Take a breath.
Eyes back in the water.
No idea.
Eyes in the water. Are you enjoying this?
That's a
Come
lot
on.
of work.
Eyes in the water. What are you doing? Come on. Well, you gotta put your eyes in the water. You would have been there a long time ago. Eyes in the water.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Remember, eyes in the water.
Come on. Put your face in the water.
You know what? You know what? If you put your eyes in the water, then we can get some of those toys out of the room. Okay, but put your eyes in. You have to put your eyes in the water. Okay? Eyes in the water and big arms.
Swim to Nana.
Eyes in the water, big arms. Okay, eyes back in the water. Good job.
Come on. Put
Eyes
your
back in the water.
Eyes back in the water.
Eyes back in the
Give us
water.
toys. Come on. Come on. You're doing it. Put your eyes back in the water. Come on.
Good job. Yay. Good job.
Okay, one more time. Swim to Brad.
Okay, big arms.
Then we can get the toys.
Okay,
You
big
gotta
arms.
Face in the water.
Eyes in the water, big arms.
Face in the water. Big arms. Swim to Brad. Keep moving, Brad. Face in the water.
Good job. Arms, eyes in the water. Good job. Come on, eyes in the water. You're almost there. Eyes in the water. Good job. She's breathing so hard because she's holding her breath for. Okay.
One more time to Nana, and then we can. Gotta get your face in the water, though.
Eyes in the water. Go. Eyes
Eyes
in the water. Big arms,
Good.
eyes in the water.
Eyes in the water. Come on. You go so much farther when you put your face in the water.
Yeah, good job.
Yes, you did. You swam all the way. All right, go swim to Brad and I'll get the toys. Face
Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Big arms. Eyes in the water. You're good. Eyes in the water. Eyes in the water. Good job. Okay. Do the steps.